What's going on? What's going on, guys? Just want to get right to you. It's an app called Get On. It's more of a prediction bet, and it's supposed to be free. You can pay, but I'm doing it the free way. Let me go get the camera. The camera be tweaking, but just want to let y'all know they got a little referral program, so that's why I went on and talked about it. Got the little referral program, and if you win, you know what I'm saying, you can turn points into cash. I don't know, this app's kind of slow, but just showing you how it looks. You know, they supposedly got the referral program. You know, just showing you how everything look though. So pretty much can earn points. We can request payouts once we win. I haven't made a prediction yet, but I'm gonna be talking about this app a little bit more. Make another video after tonight, see what goes. But everything's slow right now, but yeah. Just had to make a video letting y'all know this what I'm gonna be doing. I mean, it's free, no money in my pocket, so trying to show y'all the payment process. If they got the payment processes, I don't know. But it's slow. I don't know why it's slow though, man. But just letting you know that this opportunity, you know, if it's worth it or not. But it's so slow right now. I don't know what's going on, guys. Hold on. Alright. As you can see, I'm trying to show you the balance, but it's not really working. Everything else working. Let's go to game on rewards. Let's see if that's working. All right, here we go. So this is what I have, 5,000 points. That's what I have for a lifetime. So that's what I made so far. You get 5,000 points once you join. I don't know if that's as far as a referral program, but you might get more points if you join under me. But definitely starting off, you can get that. And they showing you other rewards you can get. I don't know, the camera messing up, but you can get other rewards. But we're not here for all this. I mean, after we get a few bucks, yeah, I probably want something, but mainly I want the bucks, you know. I'm here for the bucks. All right. Balance is at 0, so I guess that's why it's not showing that. So just letting y'all know, guys, what's going on. And this is pretty much how to play. So you make picks, and then they say we'll serve you a set of prediction for the game. And then you get points. Track your score on the in-game leaderboard, and then once the prediction that you make go through, you get the points that turn into cash. So it's a win cash, earn points. Top scores take home the bacon. Bacon, you dig? And you can make extra bacon by inviting people like myself I'm doing. So why not get the bacon? Invite friends for bonus points. Get a head start on cash prizes. So you can get a head start on cash prizes without even betting. Camera was messing up. So let's get in, let's join us under me. Let's get this bacon. They must don't want me to get this bacon, because every time I show the referral, you feel me? But yeah, guys, just letting y'all know, man. It's your boy, Mr. MMC. Mr. MMC, let's get it, let's go. Let's get it, all right?